Those who made it.
Without any further waste of time, let's get straight to it. The word PIP is short for price improvement point, but you don't have to worry about that because everyone will be calling it a PIP. So PIPs are all about the increase and decrease of the exchange rate. Now let's imagine Euro USD is exchanging at this current exchange rate. The price improvement point or PIP count will be any changes at the 4th decimal point, and the fraction of that PIP will be at the 5th decimal point. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's get started with lot sizes and then we'll get to calculating pips. Depending on the type of account that you have, lot sizes differ in notional value. One lot size on a micro account won't be the same as one lot size in a cent account, for example. But on the typical standard account, one lot size is equals to 100,000 units in base currency. A mini lot size is equals to 10,000 units in base currency, and a micro lot is equals to 1,000 units in base currency. I will be making a video soon on the type of accounts there are out there and the difference between them. Now let's move on to calculating the value of a PIP. The formula to calculating the value of a PIP is very simple, as long as you understand and remember the basic rules. All you have to do is simply take the amount of pips you're calculating, divide that by the current exchange rate, and then multiply that by the units of the lot size in which you're using. Let's continue to use Euro USD as an example. Now let's imagine that your account is nominated in dollars, and you decide to place a one lot sell position at current price, and the market drops to 1.18000, which is equals to 16.5 pips. To calculate the value of a pip, it will be 0.0001 because we are calculating one pip, and a pip is at the 4th decimal place. We divide that by the current exchange rate. We multiply that by 100,000 units in base currency, in this case being the euros. That will be equals to 8.46 euros. But remember that your account is nominated in dollars and not euros. So all you have to do is multiply the 8.46 by the current exchange rate, which will give you an even $10, meaning that when the market drops from current price to 1.18000, there will be a 16.5 pip drop. You multiply that by $10 and that will give you $165 worth of profits to your account. Well, that's how you basically calculate the value of a pip in relation to your account specifically. Now let's use a more complicated scenario for you to further understand. In this scenario, let's imagine that your account is nominated in South African rands and you see a buy opportunity on USD JPY. You decide also to place a 0.05 micro lot at current price, and then the market moves to 110.445, which is 80 pips in your favor. First and foremost, the rules changes when it comes to currencies involved in the JPY. The pip count on these pairs begins at the 2nd decimal point, and the fraction of that pip is at the 3rd decimal point. So then we start by dividing the pip by the current exchange rate, and we multiply that by 5,000 units in the base currency, this being the dollar, which will be equals to 46 cents in dollars. But remember that your account is nominated in rands and not dollars. Therefore, you simply exchange the dollars to rands at the current exchange rate, which is 14.2765. That will give you 6 rand and 51 cents. And when the market moves 80 pips in your favor, you multiply that by 80 and that will give you 520 rand and 82 cents worth of profits to your account. I hope you guys have been taking notes and it has been making sense to you. If you have any questions or something doesn't make sense, feel free to comment down below. I'll be more than happy to engage with you. Other than that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. You have yourself a nice day. Peace out.